Your hand, O Lord, have made me whole. You've healed my heart, you've healed my soul. In every wound, your mercy shines, restoring love forever mine. Healing flows from your great name. Every broken piece reclaimed. By your touch, I'm set apart. Healing God, you mend my heart. In every storm, you calm the sea. Your healing grace, it covers me. You speak and pain is washed away. In your embrace, I'm here to stay. Your healing flows like rivers wide. Your love has stayed right by my side. You lift me up, you hold